In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Sounds and Vibration. Now you can click on Vibrate at the top in the middle to mute your tablet completely, leaving only vibrations. If you want to, you can also select Sound next to Vibrate and operate this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing. This way you can turn on or off incoming calls vibrations. When you're ready, click on Call Vibration. Apply the best vibration pattern for your incoming calls. Or select Silent at the top. Go back, click on Notification Vibration and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Now, by tapping on System Vibration, you can adjust intensity of all system haptic features by operating this slider. To turn on or off haptic feedback for any of those options, click on the right switcher next to the chosen one. Then go back, click on Vibration Intensity and adjust the same slider as before from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!